Welcome to Blue Justin. Still Justin, still not blue. And today I'm going to do an unboxing of Star Trek Discovery Season 2, the Steelbook Zoom exclusive. Now, I find this quite interesting in the sense that the first season was an exclusive Steelbook to Zavvi, but either they decided not to take up the exclusive on the second season, or they got beaten out by Zoom, which is actually, to my mind, good to see. I like to see competition in the marketplace. Zavvi has control of so many of the exclusive steelbooks that we get now. It's almost impossible to make sure that they keep on producing a high quality product, and that's obviously what I want as a steelbook collector. And the more people who are there in the marketplace going, no, actually we're going to do them as well, especially if it's a smaller company like Zoom. I'm not saying they're tiny, but I think I understand they're significantly smaller. When I phone up if I need to phone up to have a talk to them, it's always a real person in their office, and they're always able to help. Unlike Zavvi, when it has to be via message, this, that, and the other, and you might get a reply within a day or so, and they're not always willing to help. So, and Zoom, I would prefer them to be able to get more, but I don't know how much money they've got to be able to invest, so I'm hoping this is going to be successful for them. Anyway, getting on with it, I'm going to do a quick show of the Zavvi exclusive of Season 1, so we can compare the two. Okay, here we go. That without the cover was the Zavvi, without the slip wraparound on it, was the Zavvi Season 1, and they only put the stickers on the outside of the plastic, so that's good. And that was the back. Very nice indeed. I shall just have a quick open up, but I don't particularly want to take out all the discs, but just to show they do actually have all different disc art, and there is art on the interior of the case. So anyway, the main purpose of today is to open up Season 2 and to see whether that's similar or matching or equivalent or as good as. And the other thing I would like to point out before I just put this one down is the title here is lovely silvered and debossed. Sorry if there was a bit of a technical problem there. I had a bit of a technical hitch with the phone camera. Anyway, I've taken the slip away, and of course, because of the technical hitch fixing, I totally forgot to take the sticker off. But totally revealed, this is the front, and can't remember if I recorded it properly or not, whether the camera failed. Yeah, it matches totally. The writing, the debossing, everything really nice, and obviously the shape of the Star Trek badge logo, Federation badge logo, all matches, which I think is really good. On the rear, we have another fantastic picture. I love it. And again, side by side, I think they're both very good and match up to a certain extent. There's the spine. Now I just have to check. Yep, I think everybody's going to be happy with that one. close. And let's open her up. That's a shame. Whereas we had disc art on the season 1, we have no disc art for the discs on season 2. That's just silvered. Now, I mean, I dare say that's all down to what the regular set has. They're just using, obviously they're going to use the same discs as in the regular set, and who chose to put the disc art on in the first season obviously decided not to in the second season, which is a shame, but I'll live with it. Anyway, I shall take the discs out now and carefully place them to one side. At least we do have interior art again. Not sure you can see that very easily. I'm getting reflections. But, yep. There we go. Nice piece of interior art for us, which is good. Excellent. And I shall see what I can do with some pictures at the end of the video, as is my usual practice at the moment, to give you a little bit more detail. But obviously it's quite difficult with the centered tray getting in the way. So anyway, that is my unboxing essentially of Star Trek Discovery Season 2 Zoom Steelbook exclusive. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you can share it and like it and subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and cheers. Keep on enjoying all those movies, TV, all the stuff you watch. That's the important thing. Thank you.
All the